Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to study some grammar part from your third chapter, A Letter from Japan. In this chapter, we are going to study countable nouns and uncountable nouns and articles. So, first of all, let us see what are countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that you can count. If you can count a noun using numbers, it is called countable noun. So, a countable noun is a noun which can be counted. So, if you can count using numbers, that noun is called countable nouns. Let's see examples. A dog. It can be said one dog, two dogs, 10 dogs. We can count the number of dogs. So here a man, we can say one man, 3 men and 10 men, like that. We can count man also. Then apple, an apple, 1 apple, 4 apples, 10 apples, like that. So these all nouns can be counted. So they are called countable nouns. Next, a countable noun has a singular and plural form. See here, pen. What is the plural form of pen? Pens. Banana, bananas. So a singular and plural form we can see. Pen is singular, pens plural. Okay. When a countable noun is singular, we use article a or an before it. So if a countable noun is singular, we can use articles a or an before it. A crow, an orange, like that. When it is plural, we use the specific number, 3 eggs, 4 apples, like that. Whenever you are in doubt, ask the question how many. So if you have some doubt, this noun is countable or uncountable, so what you want to do? You have to ask a question, how many? If you get a specific number as answer, then it is countable noun. So here I saw 5 birds outside. How many birds? 5 birds. So we got one answer as a number. So that noun is a countable noun. So next let us see what are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that you cannot count. Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. So here water, we cannot count water. Air, we cannot count air. Sugar. So these are the examples for uncountable nouns. So uncountable nouns are always a singular. It will be considered as a singular form. So here we can see some groups uncountable nouns. So liquids, water, juice, milk, these all we cannot count, so they are uncountable nouns. Some powders, sugar, flour, salt, these all are uncountable nouns. Some materials, wood, plastic, metal, these all are uncountable nouns. Some food items, bread, meat, cheese, these all are uncountable nouns because we cannot count them. Then we can measure uncountable nouns, but we cannot count. So uncountable noun that cannot be counted, but we can measure it. I have 2 liters of milk. So milk cannot be counted but can be measured. 2 liters of milk. I have a glass of water. Water is uncountable noun. We cannot count water, but it can be measured. So I have a glass of water. I have 1 kg of sugar. Sugar's weight, 1 kg of sugar. And I ate 2 pieces of cake. 2 pieces of cake. So here cake, it is a food item and it is uncountable noun, but we can say 2 pieces of cake. So 2 pieces of cake, that we made that into a countable. Okay. Never use the article a or an before uncountable nouns. So we cannot use a or an before uncountable nouns. Okay, so because we cannot count it, we cannot say water, a milk, a sugar, like that. Okay, so never add s at the end of uncountable nouns. So it is already, I told, it is a singular form. So yes, we cannot add s at the end of uncountable nouns. We also use some words before uncountable nouns to show the quantity. So here some, any, much, little, a lot of, such words can be added before uncountable nouns. So here we can see one example. May I have some water, please? So here we use some water. Okay, we cannot count, but we can add some words before. Next, we are going to study about some articles. Articles a or an are placed before a person, place, animal, or thing. We use a before a consonant sound and an before vowel sounds. We know that vowel sounds, which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Before these sounds, we are using an, and all other consonants before that we use a. So here example, a fan, an orange. So here a and an are called indefinite articles, and these are used when we refer to the nouns for the first time. When we refer some nouns first time, we are using a or an before that. So we use the, one another article, the, before specific names which are used when we refer to the nouns for the second time. So the we will use for the specific some nouns when we use that the second time, and some common nouns also, some special nouns or for with some special words we use the Mahabharata, the sun, the Taj Mahal, the earth, like that. Okay, so in this chapter we studied countable nouns, uncountable nouns, and articles. So you will get a detailed notes next day itself. So still some of the students, they are not sending their notes in time, so we will take strict action against that students. So all of you follow that, and all of you write your notes in your notebook and send that to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, my dear students, thank you all.